What if I told you that in 2026, an AI could already do your job better than you? And the scary part is, most people don't even realize it yet. Over the last few years, artificial intelligence has evolved faster than anything we've seen in tech history. What used to take humans hours is now done in seconds. Writing, coding, analyzing data, customer support. AI is already handling it all. Today's AI systems can already write professional articles, generate business ideas, create marketing campaigns, answer customer questions instantly, and even write functional code. This is not science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. Let's be clear. Some jobs are already being heavily affected. Data entry roles, basic content writing, and customer support jobs are becoming increasingly automated. Not completely gone yet, but rapidly changing. But here's the real shift happening. It's not just about AI replacing humans. It's about humans who use AI replacing those who don't. A single person with AI tools can now do the work of an entire team. At the same time, new jobs are emerging. AI supervisors, prompt engineers, automation specialists, AI workflow designers. The job market is not disappearing, it's transforming. The real question is not whether AI will change your job. It already is. The real question is, will you adapt in time? Because the gap between those who use AI and those who don't is getting bigger every day. If you want to stay ahead of this revolution, you need to understand it. And that's exactly what we cover here on News Now Tech. Subscribe for more AI and tech updates that actually matter.